Hey, what's up? I have the new fitness watch from Xiaomi called EmiLab KW66. Probably you haven't heard about this watch, but it looks even better than Xiaomi Mi Band 5 fitness tracker. The watch has stylish design with metal dial and 3D glass on the display, 30 days of battery life, 13 sports modes, 24 hours heart rate monitor, and other features. Okay, let's do unboxing and full review of the new Xiaomi EmiLab KW66 fitness watch. Before we start, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers. The box of EmiLab KW66 smartwatch looks like this. We can see the brand logo, EmiLab, as the image of smartwatch, main features on the front side. On the back there is caution and some specifications, such as model, battery capacity, size, etc. Inside the box you will find the watch with factory film, charging cable and user manual. By the way, this is a global version of the watch, so all inscriptions on the box and user manual are in English. This is very good. Talking about design of EmiLab KW66, I think it looks very similar to Samsung Galaxy Active smartwatch. Xiaomi watch has the same round dial with 3D glass on the top. The body and physical button on the right side are made of metal. The watch is really compact. The diameter of the dial is 45 mm, while the thickness is only 12.7 mm. The strap is made of TPU and it has a width of 22 mm. As you can see, it is interchangeable. You can buy any other strap with the same width and use it with Xiaomi EmiLab KW66 watch. The back of the watch looks very interesting. First I thought that the watch supports wireless charging, but it doesn't. The back of the case is made by IML process. It is smooth and comfortable to touch. Here we can also see heart rate sensor and 2 charging contacts. By the way, the screen has not only 3D glass, but also it is curved. Xiaomi EmiLab KW66 really looks expensive and premium, but the price is only about $50. The diagonal of the display is 1.28 inches. The resolution is 240 by 240 pixels. This is full-color TFT panel, and it is also full touch. However, I think that the brightness is not enough. It can be difficult to see something on the screen in sunny weather. Also, the new Xiaomi watch is waterproof by IP68 standard. You can wash the watch or even swim in the pool with it. Now let's look at the functions of Xiaomi EmiLab KW66. This is a minimalistic watch face of EmiLab KW66. I really like it. However, there is very little information, only time and date. Fortunately, there are 6 other watch faces available. You can change them by press and hold on the screen. By the way, EmiLab KW66 supports customizable watch faces through the app on smartphone. Later I will show it to you. Swipe down from the main screen to open Quick Settings menu. Here you can see date, battery level, find phone, screen brightness, do not disturb mode, and settings menu. In the settings menu you can turn the watch off, reset, read information about device, and scan QR code to download the companion app on smartphone. By the way, the app is called Glory Fit. You can also swipe up from the main screen to read the new notifications. There are following functions when you swipe left: daily activity such as steps, distance and calories, heart rate monitor, sleep monitor, sport modes, and music control. Xiaomi EmiLab KW66 also has menu with all functions: training, heart rate, status, sleep, stopwatch, message, and settings. The new Xiaomi watch doesn't have built-in microphone and speaker, so you cannot make or receive phone calls. You know, actually Xiaomi EmiLab KW66 is not a real smartwatch. This is a fitness watch. The functions are quite standard for fitness watches in 2020, but I like that it has many watch faces, music control, and 12 sport modes. As I already said, the application on smartphone is called Glory Fit. You can download it on Android and iOS devices. First you need to log in, but also you can skip it. Then click on Select Device. The smartphone will search for fitness watch. Choose a KW66 and wait until the watch will be connected. On the main screen of the app, you can see your daily activity, such as steps, distance and calories, heart rate recording and sleep record. The next step is sports. You can choose the sport modes, for example, running, and track your activity while playing sports. All the settings are in the tab device. The first one is dial settings. As I already said, the watch has 6 watch faces out of the box, but you can download more in the app. There are more than 40 watch faces available. You can also use custom watch faces with your image and front color. The next function is heart rate monitoring. You can turn it on and off. Also, I recommend you to turn on call reminder and app reminder. There's also sedentary reminder, smart alarm clock, raise hand to activate display, and do not disturb. In Universal Settings menu, you can find the following functions: shake to take a picture, find bracelet, SMS reminder, on-screen time, time system, and a device language. By the way, the watch supports many different languages, including English, Spanish, Russian, etc. The battery is another feature of Xiaomi EmiLab KW66 watch. It has a capacity of 340 mAh, but I think you are interested in battery life. It is about 30 days on a single charge. This is a very long battery life for the watch with color screen. You know, Xiaomi EmiLab KW66 doesn't have any special functions. They can do the same as other budget fitness watches. However, I really like the build quality of this watch and design. EmiLab KW66 looks and feels more expensive than it actually is. If you are looking for the real watch with a big color screen, but not fitness tracker like Xiaomi Mi Band 5, then EmiLab KW66 is a good option. Thank you for watching this video. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.